Xbox.
Hey, how's it going? In this video, we'll show you how to remove the LCD hinge from an XPS 17 version L701X. If you're looking for parts for this laptop, go to our website and use this coupon for a 5% off discount.
Slide the latch over to unlock the battery. Lift the battery out of the laptop. Loosen the screw. Remove the access door. Remove the screw. Remove the optical drive. Remove the screws. Carefully lift the palm rest off of the base. Unplug the palm rest cables. Carefully turn the keyboard over and unplug the keyboard cable. Unplug the antenna cables. Remove the wireless card screw. Remove the wireless card. Remove the bottom display screws. Turn the laptop over and open it up. Loosen the screw. Unplug the cable. Remove the screws. Remove the display assembly. Unsnap the bezel around the edges. Remove the LCD bezel. Remove the LCD screws. Turn the screen over. Loosen the cable. Unplug the LCD cable. Remove the screws. Remove the left hinge. Remove the right hinge.
Need more? Check out these other tutorials. For batteries, click here. For hard drives, click here. For wireless cards, click here. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, give this video a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Check the video description below for links to written tutorials and replacement parts.